na kissing de mani ase ni wudie nie e na wo fe ma no sebe manum nteso okọ wanum also de ba manum we exchanging DNA enti wo be ya ye ma ne ye nye se wo pay wano be ma bi de wo be sum na no ode ba be fe wano no na wo pe ba bi do ti afa fefe ne mo maso kakra nani ama ye ofa no afefe nani ama so me hwene kakra kai e wo so de ye bibi enti wo be fe me hwene so kakra na waba mano nchenchen me say mano nchenchen wodi fi ha wamaso no amaso afa no you catch ma na de tafre mano enye se wo ba ya na wo be fe me catch ma no wo tafre mano ne ho a ne come square mia me bie mama na mia so me bie mu ma wa na me so ma start tafre wa no ho na me tafre wa no ho sa ne se ye ni kakra mitime de me nsakra sa hye wanum.
But before you kiss a woman, there are things that you do before you kiss a woman, or before even you, the woman, kiss a man. Both ways. Ghana for member baby, you kiss him. Some be a few obano, a baby, you know, obana no intersu. Aye, and then but kissing, you start from a point and build it up till the woman can't stand again, and then you start ripping your clothes off. And only I can say you are a good kisser. But before even you start at the act of kissing, make sure your breath when no one can blow. Now here, the simple thing is to put your finger into your mouth and smell it.
Hello, keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Hello, I Xposed GH. Mcbrown is the name. And then the mother called though because we are saying the love of what? Love. Month of love. Vows day by me nimsenko for you who be and any obey girls ne bisu any idea de bisu. Answer na my question me baby pa next back pet Juliana do the picture na twa gusu na woda wa hwega bi abehume na ja onyi odi onyi anu abehume na maka next muwa papa bipa. And then Mabeka Sembi. Nana Mcbrown or your program on the 14th. Make vows they care me. Now program national I wish to share because our be good because we don't know. And we don't know because we don't ask. And we don't know because we are not doing the right thing. There is something called kissing. Africa for alien to us. But Oba also a gateway to love making. You go to them.
See, na ye ka odomu asam no nka wo bo kissing so ne ade what yes ehun nyina achi ne bewura dan mu a
ma de ade a ye di edi kan ye kissing very important to us say oba gine me oba gunu me na maye bete na maye ha na de mhia ne say oba ben me na one me edido enti kissing ye very important. For me kissing is more intimate than penetration. Because ubetimi ashe protection odi oba eda ohunam nsuo enko ne honam mu enti mu nyasa intimacy no na kissing de mani ase ni wudie nie e na wo fe ma no sebe manum nteso okọ wanum also de ba manum we exchanging DNA enti wo be ya ye ma ne ye nyesa wo pay wano be ma bi de wo be sum na no ode ba be fe wano no na wo pe ba bi do ti afa fefe ne mo maso kakra nani ama ye ofa no afefe nani ama so me hwene kakra kai e wo so de ye bibi etu be fe me hwene so kakra na waba mano nchenchen me say mano nchenchen wodi fi ha wamaso no amaso afa no you catch ma na de tafre mano ho enye se wo ba ya na wo be fe me catch ma no wo tafre mano ne ho a ne come square mia me bie mama na mia so me bie mu ma wa na me so ma start tafre wa no ho na me tafre wa no ho sa ne se ye ni kakra mitime de me nsakra sa hye wanum enti na oba wo se odi won moreni na ade hye ho a aya akono na wanya botra fefe na no edo nsa fefa ne ho ama oba na gono mumu bi wa mu rada ma kese no munya ade o obi enenum a wode to ya na opebe bi di afa ye wo process of sex. I was say ufri level 1 now they call level 2. Now when we say bema ne mu yeding ne eko ne enyini na fe emu ayedin se bo. Now when we say fe dia was me de ko. Wo de e peja ya na pe baby dia fa. until you do not even enjoy the fullness of your own erection. It's a process. Enti mumienya daje e kese no enya ano nkwa na e kese. Utimi kese ne nantem, utimi kese ne sisi echi, ne nan kokomu hapa na ya fe o de da.
Na okwanchi no so e.
O kwanchi na de ne wo ho.
There be me de dia baby e hye no. Just wunya tie.
Nana na kokomu ne pasa wu kuntunu no. Nesa wunya botre wone na ahoden bi wona kokomu ho a wo.
Na obi akisi utoda.
No, need me so da na no bi ye mesaya nya mesada na ye da ye so enti mema momo amoyirenom no mo nso so da ye oba wo pese ye fefe na ho koye o pedicure bubu more chichi wo nemu na ho nya akono sra wo na ase o sra se nkuto se vaseline fa wo na ase na ase nye hyem afa wo tam to obi kon ho a na aye den ya fa to kon ho o te fa ne wo nan na den to ne kon ho
Miss Nancy
kissing is an art. Kissing is an art. Some began for member bebre ye nkuase sem atete kwasem ne hayen meka se art e ade a yesua ne ani yia both of you can enjoy. And a kissing makes romance or love making sweet. I want the word sweet, maka. But before you kiss a woman, there are things that you do before you kiss a woman. Or before even you, the woman, kiss a man. Both ways. Ghana for member baby, you kissing. Some be a few about no, you not about no interest. I but kissing, you start from a point and build it up till the woman can't stand again, and then you start ripping your clothes off. And only I can say you are a good kisser. But before even you start at the act of kissing, make sure your breath when no one can blow. The simple thing is to put your finger into your mouth and smell it. Yes, a bow better. I never quite kill kissing a bad breath from both sides. If the breath is not nice, now okay, see ya. Almost a bad man opportunity, no bad opportunity. As I didn't call ye, and no a kum jano, love making any day. What to me will be also I love my wife, only me or fresh breath. Now see any kind you hot, the more to me a fresh. What I say? So before you even go to bed the night or wherever you want to have the sex, Massa, brush your teeth. Go and buy your friend say mouthwash. Then there be no way dia twitwi see ye. Wa ba ni twitwi ne se. Na mo fa me see ani. Na no kra no na lady ne ka say kese no yen start bra na wo kodi pana no there be you start from a point. What you say? Ebinim atenkan ewo mo toes om nan kokomoti no e man bebre ho na wo ebi wo mo nan mu ebi wo in between their thighs ebi wo om nufu ano enye nufu na no be ho no ebi wo mo kon ebi wo maso achi ebi wo masum abi kwa dey on hwinim. So you need to find it. Take your time, don't rush. He or she is there for you. Go take your time. Ma oban ehon for eno dey for the preparatory stage, you know. One man one for na at a time point I can't say ramu na rama what tomra ye ramu sa. Take your time. Na kon the bro boso kakra te oba hu say oba no sebe wa ye too wet say obo wudin we bi eno na ye for kofi ano ka kofi because o timi body no afno no eno na ye ka say oba na ye ready. Na nye se wo start ya wo kese ne 2 minutes so sim be kwa penetrate oba ne kwa hon for e ebe na awuram enti ade na wo ya nyina eye pain wo ya so wa bibi ene atope pa wo nya hwe. Take your time. Na ma me ni wie no I cancel ana no o che ma ni bibi anu so egwatie mra ye ba ye beto aso
ni wo ra wo fia won tinase as an etiquette consultant. Me chese ne ma esitinase so your ba wotinase anu aka wonan atum me pacho sa information na me ka no enyo oba warefo de no So what she will lace panty be, now the white be out to swa. What's nasi and cannon to or bawari for? And nothing can to my just a draws and then said I yet. Ne say ya kono dear when your pink lace be or white lace be near dear. Ah ya a mema no money in your home. Monka say men kakrama me. It's about worry for the yens nothing.
Well, Bessie. Obi sameda peneda ordina man farmer na wayaka. Dem you for na second pen your command demand me kwanta.
Thank you. Nana, it's the first thing. Na semani who say wo friend komo. Na wo fear. Yes, wo pia bontia katabo so.
Yeah.
Wo fear na ye tete ye boso. Na wo tete so a wape on necklace kakra bi dia to mfimfin ho ama home ye den at se kakra. Enti mesra wa oba wo na uta hye shorts mini skirt oba ware for ade ye mema kono pa ne white. So oba wo white shorts and now white short skirt or the nemfia a kono senhwe e mema no ne ma me information sa me fama mo na wa hye ne shorts ano na bibia ni anu waja bibia to form na wakoto
ai ena me maba ma no so ma de sem nim se me amena fofo ba na de maba mo so oba look sexy for your husband. They be me was me I can be say my wife be naughty for me only. Don't be naughty for anyone, be naughty for me. I said say me wo fear mami hu bibi mami hu ni maybe ami hu da adia bakwa me dwa me pa yentuma ebo ba mu. I hate it. No, I don't like it. Who fear shani kamame who them mami who bibi do something. Me what them kofa wine ba like say baby me anom. You see, the love that we share the first day can be rekindled or relived every day, not even on Vows Day. Couples are every time they share love, no, they don't need to wait on Vows Day to share love. And one of the things that you can do to keep your man is what we call variety. Variety in sex, variety in looks, variety in food. And it's a make us mema yeni hayen. Obema who are back for a long time. Masa a hayen. And nothing a men are what we call polygamous. They go out. Because a baby or her was yet back what 3 months no change here. Oh your war. Eti and down nene to here all change it. In the name of me a wife. Who your wife the wife here, the girlfriend will become a wife and you become what? A side chick. What's your worry? No a side chick. Because the girlfriend makes your husband what? Feel young. A man be what? They make you feel young. So when they are not with you, you feel that something is missing, something is lost. Or baby so what? They become a burden. Because the same routine over and over again. We are not born like that. Men are not born like that. We are not monotonous. We want variety. So give me variety. Give me variety. Surprise me. Say we ni mentina so ko so entra so wo so no dwele no sa no ko hu abonten. There comes a time and nobody say my man I na da ho na me nya ho adwuma. Bo so ha ne yes. Watch any bibi. But then be a everyday staffer. It becomes boring. Let's keep our marriages happy. Let's keep our relationships happy. And then we say divorce baby, and yet little things that we don't know. We listen to the wrong things. Let's listen to the right things a bit. Let's make what? The house a home. You can say you are prettier. Make my home pretty. Not yourself alone. Let me feel like a king. Then I'll make you feel like a queen. I expose GHFM Bros. Oh, subscribe. Me the tumpa na zakabi manuesi.
watching Expo GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.